Good morning, good morning. As you can probably tell by the mountains behind me, I am not in Manchester. I am actually in Italy. I am here with All Things Ride to do the Il Lombardia sportive in 2 days time. So that means we've got 2 days of riding to be done. So obviously I want to bring you along because it's so hot and humid this morning. I thought it was going to be quite chilly, but actually it is really, really warm. So we are near Lake Como, so we're going to go and have a ride kind of at the side of the lake and then just kind of see wherever it takes us. So yeah, let's go and have a little briefing, see where we're going, because I literally have no idea. So there's a big group of us. There's probably like maybe 20 of us, I'd say. So yeah, let's go inside and get the briefing.
Welcome everyone. Everyone slept well? Yeah. I've got someone who's the very first Ironman in Kona, standing to my left. This is Pietro. Thank you, Pietro, who's going to be our guide for the next couple of days, showing us all Lake Como and the surrounds. I don't think there's a road this guy doesn't know, so you're in good hands. And also we have Annabella, who is how many times national champion? 18-time national champion here. We're very privileged to have an awesome guide as well.
We have got the route. It's going to be about 80k, and about, I think he said between 12 and 1500 meters. So we're going to go out, flat ride, side of the lake, bottom of a climb. The climb's going to be between 6 and 8 kilometers. So a nice steady climb. So I am excited for the climbing. I like the hills, I like the mountains. So, and the sun is just coming out. Look, oh my God, it's going to be a beautiful day.
Stop your failing to realize grand assumption. I know what I call myself. You can.
So we're at the bottom of the start of the climb now. That was a pretty fast little ride out, and look how pretty it is. Oh my God, the views are just so pretty. And yeah, just a nice little steady tootle up the climb. It is insanely beautiful though, and the weather is so lucky. We are so lucky. It's just sunny and warm, a little bit of a breeze, so top weather.
We're not going backwards to before, and not giving up on our progression once occurred.
I am one happy girl, but I'm one very, 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 very sweaty girl as well. My head is drenched. It is so beautiful today. It's so warm. It's probably about 22 degrees, I think. Look at that view. Look at that view. Just stunning. Right, better head on. Meet the other guys. We are at the cafe stop. We've done about 40k, so we are like halfway. And oh my God, it is beautiful. In fact, let me just show you how sweaty it's been. That is how sweaty it's been. My head feels like it's just drenched. Yeah, it's so pretty. I don't really know what else to say about it. It's just stunning. And so today, oh my God, make sure this car's gone. Helmet back on. So as I was saying, so yeah, we've got 4 days. Today is, what day is today? Friday. I'm here till Monday, so today we've got a ride. Tomorrow we're going to go and watch the pros ride. Sunday is the actual sportif, and then Monday we've got like a little ride in the morning, and then I fly home. So that is the plan. So like I said, I'm here with All Things Ride. They invited me out to kind of take on the sportif, and there are some really, really steep little sections. So I'll try and show those with you. Look at that. Look at that view. Look at the view. Yeah, I'm just like a view like searcher. I just love going out on my bike looking for pretty views and just enjoying the road. So I'm gonna go back, chat to the other guys. Come to sit with you, Kat.
Yeah.
Like searching for the sun. Come on, sit down.
Oh yes, do.
Oh. Oh god, this is nice and warm now.
We won't see that big golden thing in England for the next 6 months. Whatever that might be.
Hang on, but this might be.
It might not actually be true.
It might be fake news.
Go on, what is it?
So apparently Lake Como is one of the deepest lakes in the world.
Yeah.
And it's, I think, about 7 kilometres deep.
That is a long way down. Have a little look when we get back. Have a little dive.
But that might,
Citation
you might need
needed.
to
Yeah. Actually, yeah, I will double check.
Yes, we have to check our facts.
Yeah.
There's
some discussion over this jersey.
Yeah, we're on.
Can I just say that I was saying to you before, didn't I? Came over and I was like, that is my favourite jersey ever. You just don't like it? Why?
It's horrible.
It's the nicest coloured jersey I've ever seen in my whole life.
But it's got them socks.
full of garish colours.
Perfect.
Nothing like my socks.
Falling in love with the changes are coming. Already done. The Western ship ready.
And we've now just passed the border into Switzerland, and that's why we're all getting water from the fountain, because you don't want to buy water in Switzerland. It's like 5 times the price.
Your view could be right, but it probably isn't. Not with us, just shadows and dust.
We're just deciding what we're going to do tomorrow. We can either do like a 60k ride out, watch the pros doing the race, or we can potentially watch it from here, which is near where we're staying. So I think we're just going to do our own ride in the morning, potentially, and then watch the pros from here. That's what I think. I would prefer that, but we shall see, and you will see tomorrow. So we're going to head back, only a few k now from the hotel.
You stand upon your podium.
So we've got back from the ride and we've decided to go and get some food from the supermarket. Do you want to introduce yourself?
My name's Ren, and I'm from West London.
Is that you're on a blind date?
Yes, exactly. And my interests are cycling, actually. And
So Ren is the only other woman on the trip, so we're
yeah,
like, we've just like found each other, so we're like, yes, love it. So we're best buddies now.
yeah, oh, absolutely.
Right, we're gonna get some food.
And I have a face pack, don't you think? Do our nails and
No,
stuff.
look, I mean, look at our hands. Look at
Yeah.
this is what
Wash our
like
hands,
female
at
cyclists'
least.
hands look like. So I've got back. I've eaten. I've showered and realised my hair is huge, and I forgot my hairbrush. Remembered all my cycling stuff and forgot my hairbrush. So this is going to be the look for the next few days, I think. But let me just show you this amazing view. Ow. Look at this. I've got mountains and blue skies, all my favourite things. Just amazing. Oh my god, and there's a 312 jersey right down there, my favourite 312 jersey. Oh my god, I really want that jersey. But yeah, we are staying at Hotel Como, there's a little sign there. And yeah, it's so nice. It is a little bit swanky. And as you can see, it is lovely, apart from all our stuff has exploded everywhere. But yeah, apart from that, it is so nice. And I'm just going to finish editing the video. And yeah, if you're interested in looking at the route that we did, it is on Strava, and that is in the link description. I'll just post the details there. And also, if you want to look at my Instagram, I've been posting pictures and Instagram stories, so feel free to have a little nosy, a little Instagram stalk if you want to. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and yeah, it's going to be more cycling adventures in Italy tomorrow. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. I bid you good night, I bid you farewell, and I'll see you for another ride tomorrow. Bye!